Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 16 Neo, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode. The mode doesn't really matter because we will open general settings. You need to take a look at this option bar at the top and tap on the settings icon, so the gear icon. Now let's scroll all the way down and find this reset option. Tap on it and tap on reset to confirm. So basically this is it. Unfortunately, we do not really see any kind of notification that it was reset, but you need to trust me that the device simply reset the settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.